Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about the most exciting sale of the year. The Nykaa Pink Friday sale has just started. It's only a 4-day sale starting on the 29th of November running till the 2nd of December, and this is their biggest sale of the year. There's up to 40% off on some of the best brands like Huda Beauty, Estee Lauder. I've got a big pink box here full of goodies. I'm going to unbox it for you and also talk about some of my favorites from the box. Now, when I opened the box, one of the first things I spotted was the Laneige water sleeping mask. Now, I've done a separate video talking about this product when Laneige launched in India a couple of months back. So this is basically, it feels like a gel moisturizer. You apply it in the night time and you keep it overnight, and it is something that replenishes the moisture in your skin. It makes your skin look really fresh, super glowy, and you wake up looking like you've had a full restful 8 hours of sleep. What I also love about this product is that it is quite lightweight, so even if you have skin that's a bit on the oilier side, it's not something that makes your skin super greasy. It's just like a shot of hydration for your skin. It just makes your skin super hydrated and plump overnight. My second pick is geared more towards people who've got dry skin, because it's winters now. A lot of us get dry, flaky skin that no moisturizer seems to quench, and I've got a moisturizer which is tried and tested by me, and it works really well when you've got super dry, flaky, dull skin. And this is the Avene Rich Compensating Cream. I first tried out a sample of this and I used it when I was traveling. I think it was to the US in the middle of winter, and it was so cold and my skin was so dry, and this worked so well. Comes in a bottle like this. It's a super rich moisturizer, really creamy, really nourishing. Even for people who've got like super extremely dry skin, this is going to hydrate and nourish your skin really well in the winters. So this is my second pick. My third pick is a peel, and this is the Dr. Shet's Basic Brightening Extra Gentle Daily Peel. This is basically a chemical exfoliant. It contains glycolic acid and lactic acid, and these help in getting rid of the buildup of dead skin on your face. And when you use a product like this, which is a chemical exfoliant, over time you'll notice your skin is smoother, it is more radiant. It basically takes away the dullness and the roughness, and this is quite a gentle product. It's something you can use every day in your daily routine, even though it says more for normal to oily skin. I've used this even when I had dry skin, and it works really well. And my last skincare pick is this face mask by L'Oreal, and this is the clay mask, which also has a little bit of exfoliating particles. I've used this before in the past. I've used the entire tub, and it is such a great product. So if you're looking for a mask that will cleanse your skin and brighten your skin at the same time, go for this one. Now, coming to the makeup, I have here the Estee Lauder Little Black Liner. I've never used this before. I was very intrigued because this has two sides. So the first side is a thin pointed felt tip, and the other side is also a felt tip, but it's thicker, it's a little more rounded. So the idea is that you can do thick as well as thin lines, whatever your liner preference is or whatever you're in the mood for that day using this liner. I also really like how dark it is. Usually pen liners can be quite sheer and not very black, but I'm quite happy with how pigmented this is. Next, I have a blush from MAC, and this is something I've actually wanted for a really long time. This is the Extra Dimension blush, and it is the shade Hard to Get. Now, this is quite a dark color, but I was actually planning to use this not just as a blush but as an eyeshadow as well. It's kind of like a dark bronze coppery color, and I think this would be so beautiful on people with deep skin, dark skin, and even people who've got medium skin like me can try it. And like I said, it doubles up as an eyeshadow. Really beautiful color, and also a pretty rare color for a blush. Talking of blush, there was another product in my box actually which I've never tried before and I got really excited when I saw it. It's by KIKO and it is a compact containing a light bronzing shade and a blush color. Now the bronzer I feel may be a bit light for my complexion, but I really like the blush because it's kind of like this peachy pink color, which I really like. It makes my skin look really fresh, so I'm really excited to try it. Also it's matte, so I expect it's going to look quite natural. And the last product is an eyeshadow palette, and this is by Makeup Revolution, and this is the Reloaded Neutrals 2 palette. The colors are just so pretty, as you can tell. I quite like this kind of color palette on myself right now. Peachy pink, soft earthy colors, some brighter colors, and a really nice mix of mattes and shimmery shades. I'm just going to swatch a couple of these for you. I love a palette which has like these kind of brown colors, because you absolutely need brown colors, because you need it for your crease, for blending out any brights. The color payoff seems really good. So I've swatched these here. Some of the shades are a little bit powdery, but they're really nice and pigmented, and I can't wait to play with this palette. That is all for this video. Don't forget to shop from the Nykaa Pink Friday sale. Like I said, it's the biggest sale of the year, and you have so many brands which are not normally on discount, which are on discount in this sale. Make sure you check it out. I'm going to add a link to the sale in the description box. And that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.